It's the best part of my job, getting here and recording with proper human beings that can play music and play their instrument. My name's Stuart Hancock and I'm a composer of music for film and TV. I've written some music for the Harry Potter Kano coding kit. And we're going to record all the music with a live 64-piece orchestra. So when I composed the music for the Harry Potter Kano coding kit, I worked on it at home. I'm working in my home studio on a Logic setup where I have lots of orchestral sampled instruments. When I write this sort of music, it's always, I have it in my head how I'd want it to sound if it were played by a live symphony orchestra. Not necessarily knowing that it was going to be played live, but I'd composed in that way, so every orchestral instrument has a very idiomatic line to play. So rather than just playing big chords on the keyboard, I'd write specific lines for specific instruments. And then when the opportunity arose to record it live with the symphony orchestra, the music's ready. It's just a case of getting it on paper, getting it in front of the musicians, and they'll make the magic happen. When we hear the orchestra play the music today, it's going to be a real thrill. Because I'm stuck at home creating this music, and as good as you can make it sound on the computer, it's never going to match what you get with 64 human beings in a studio, real musicians performing your music and interpreting it and vibrating together and making real magic. The big challenge was that we are in this very familiar Harry Potter wizarding world, which has a very strong sense of music and the films, and we needed to be reminiscent of that, but create something new, and something that was a bit more of the coding kit and the coding wand that comes with it.